Well, yeah, we sure are, Vicki. JCPS versus TikTok, Snapchat, Facebook, and other big-name social media sites. The school district has retained an attorney and is prepared to proceed in court. The allegation is that social media companies are aiming harmful content at kids, which can lead to everything from anxiety to suicide.
The addiction that our kids have to social media is, at least in part, tied to the rise of crime in the city of Louisville today.
That's the opinion of Jefferson County School Board member James Craig. He and the rest of the JCPS board unanimously passed a resolution to file suit against TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, and other social media moguls. JCPS believes large social media companies are contributing to a mental health crisis facing America's youth, including here in Kentucky.
We want that behavior to change. Now, unfortunately, the only thing that gets these companies' attention is compensation and lawsuits.
Of course, filing a lawsuit isn't cheap, especially against some of the biggest companies in the world. JCPS schools are funded by your tax dollars, so how much is this lawsuit going to cost you?
Zero. We hired an attorney on a contingency basis to file a similar case against vaping companies and are receiving compensation to the district. And are not going to pay that attorney, but from the settlement proceeds. And that'll be the case here. Taxpayers will not be out of pocket for this.
But Craig says taxpayers are on the hook for an increase in mental health professionals hired by the district to treat depression, eating disorders, anxiety, and other issues related to increased time on TikTok and other apps. However, Craig admits social media can and has been a useful tool for communication. In fact, JCPS uses it every day to get its message out to families of students.
The purpose of this case is not to end social media use by youth or the district or teachers, but to return it to its useful and safe purpose. That's what we need.
And JCPS may not be going it alone. Craig says Jefferson County may join forces with other school districts across the country to go after those social media giants. JCPS will ask for compensation, but haven't said yet how much they're seeking. Reporting live in the studio, Randall Cam, WLKY News.